Hey All-Star family, I'm here to introduce you today to the 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country. Alright, we start up here up front. We have our LED high intensity discharge headlights. These are about the brightest things you're ever going to see on the road. We have our LED daytime running lights up there as well. So we come across the front of the grille. I want you to notice High Country exclusive bronze accents throughout the grille and that nice High Country lettering right there as well. So we move around to the side. We got the High Country badge along the side, along with a gorgeous set of 22-inch wheels on this vehicle. Our surround lighting system, as you can see in our side mirrors. Now, the truck has gotten bigger. A lot of that space is right back here in the rear seats. We've got 3 more inches of rear seat legroom, so that way you and your family can be comfortable in here. We also have some really unique storage opportunities in here as well. Right here in the back of the seats. Space that's normally unused, we've got a nice little pocket storage deep inside of there to help you keep your stuff organized, keep everything you need for you and your family. Here, Chevrolet exclusive, all full power tailgate system. All you have to do is simply walk up, press the button, the tailgate comes down. And we look inside the bed, we've got our brand new Chevy Tech spray and bed liner. Guys, this is sprayed straight from factory. It's robotically sprayed and it's about as perfect as it's gonna get. Also inside of here, we have our new bed lighting system. 2 LEDs, 1 in each corner, so that way help you illuminate your full bed. And then to close this tailgate, like I said, it's full power. So all you have to do is give it a simple lift, and it comes right on back up. Guys, that's your 2019 Chevy High Country. Come see us today, and we'll get you a great deal on one.